Ablaze. This adjective refers to something that is burning or on fire. It can also be used metaphorically to describe something that is filled with intense emotion or excitement. Able. This adjective describes someone who has the capability, skill, or competence to do something successfully. It suggests that a person has the necessary qualities or resources to accomplish a particular task or achieve a specific outcome. Ably. This adverb is derived from the adjective, able. It means performing a task or carrying out an action with skill, competence, or effectiveness. It is used to describe how someone does something proficiently or capably. Abnegate. This verb means to renounce or reject something, especially one's own desires, rights, or interests. It often involves self-denial or sacrificing personal satisfaction or gratification for a greater purpose or cause. Abnegation. This noun refers to the act of abnegating or renouncing something. It can describe the act of self-denial, self-sacrifice, or giving up one's own desires or interests for the sake of others or a higher ideal. Abnormal. This adjective describes something that deviates from what is considered typical, normal, or expected. It suggests that something is unusual, irregular, or atypical in comparison to the standard or average. It can be used to refer to physical, psychological, or behavioral characteristics that are outside the norm. Please subscribe our channel, like and share.